Good morning, whole food plant people. It is a brisk, cold morning, and I am looking for something warm and yummy to drink before I start my day. So I decided upon a hot chocolate. But who wants to drink hot chocolate with all that sugar and fat? I am going to be drinking baking cocoa mixed with dates in almond milk. Now, it's important to note that the almond milk I'm going to be drinking has only two ingredients, almonds and water. You thought I was going to say milk. No. For me, there's no added salt or oils. We've got to be very careful about choosing these products so they don't clog our arteries, raise our blood pressure. Check with your doctor to see what you require. The only ingredient, organic cocoa. Dr. Greger on nutritionfacts.org actually says that cocoa is one of those few foods that is better for us in its processed form than in its whole food form. Reason is they extract the fat and make a powder. Who knew? Dr. Greger knew, that's who. First, I grabbed some cocoa powder or cacao powder. Second, I grabbed some whole dates. I prefer medjool dates with the pits in them, and then I take the pits out myself. They just seem to stay plumper. Then I add a little bit of almond milk after I'm done whipping in the blender. Then I put it into a pot and warm it up. Just not super hot, but just warm enough to where when it goes down, I can smell it, I can taste it, and I'm going to feel it for hours. That's my comfort food. Medjool dates. Now, I prefer to buy organic, but they're not available by me right now. Look how delicious these medjool dates are when they come with the pits. They are just plump, delicious, and they come very soft. But all I do is just pop them out, squeeze out the pit. Usually I use two hands. Right now I'm holding the phone. Put this pit down in the plate. There's a little piece at the top that I like to remove as well. It gets a little hard. I'll take that and put it right into the, look at that guy. I'm gonna put it right into the Vitamix and put it in the hole. And I would probably add about 3 of these and a couple teaspoons. And this is the kind of almond milk that I'm trying out today. For the first time, the ingredients are filtered water and organic almonds. That's the way I like it. See if I can open this thing. Oh yeah, see that? It's all creamy and stuck to the top like that. Oh, it's delicious. I'm gonna have to shake it up. The amount here just depends on how much I want to drink this morning. And then I put in some cocoa powder. I'm going to try 2 tablespoons of this organic cocoa powder. Turn on the Vitamix. Just hit shake. Gives 50 seconds worth. This is where it starts to get really frothy, delicious. Let's just give it a little taste. Oh, that tastes really good. And I'm going to pour everything we just whipped up into the pot. Get all that chocolatey goodness in there. I say chocolate, but they've taken the fat out by making it a powder. It's not chocolate, it's cocoa powder with no salt, sugar, or fat added, period. I am drinking a whole food plant hot cocoa I just made. So I didn't record an ending, but that cocoa was delicious, nutritious, had no sugar, salt, fat added, except whole foods. And I would recommend trying it out. Of course, check with your doctor if you're changing your diet, medication, or your lifestyle. Thank you for watching Whole Food Plant People. Please let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll do my best to get them out. Thanks. Have a healthy day.